In this video, we're going to learn about how you can make 3K through searching Google, typing posts, and writing articles, and earn up to 200 per post. Okay, let's get to the video right after this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, if you're a returning subscriber, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to click on that red button. Okay, so let's get direct to the video. The first website we're going to look up to today is called Money Pantry. Okay, Money Pantry. Okay, so here we get to this first one. Okay, you can see here, you can see the website. It's all about money and saving. Okay, it's a legit website, guys. You can scroll down here, you see here, make money, save money, freebies. Okay, you can see here 81 legit ways, 150 legitimate, okay, high paying online survey sites. You can see here more here, 150 awesome Amazon hacks. You see a lot of things. Okay, so but what we're going to look for is we're going to look for a site where we type post. Okay, we can write articles. Okay, we get paid like 200 USD per post. Okay, so you say sites, write post. You can search here, guys. You can search here and to bring for you whatever you are looking for. You see here, you see, get paid to write. Okay, 101 sites. You see, you can get paid like 50 to 3,000 per blog. You see, so let's search. Okay, you can see here. Okay, see, all these guys, those are sites. You can just click on any of them. Okay, you can click on any of them and then start earning money. Okay, you just have to follow what they say. Okay, like this. Okay, let's click this one. Okay, see, all this give you suggestions. Okay, earning money through this survey, a lot of things. Okay, too many. You can search for many things here, guys. See here, you can be paid over 150 per post. Okay, see, 220 per post. See, easy way to make money, guys. Very easy. See here, $1 per word. See, just easy. Okay, see this, 100 to 300 per words. Per post. You see, it's not like you're going to write a lot of things. Okay, let's first click this one. It's not like you're going to write a lot of things. Okay, See here, you have to read their guidelines, okay? See here, like this one here, you see here, 450 to 650 words only. You see, you should not exceed 1,000. You see, you are making cash. You are already making, you see, around 100 USD just per post, 300 USD per post. You see, you just have to follow their guidelines, okay? Just simple as that. So the question would be like, how am I going to write those posts? I got you. It's easy. So the next thing here we're going for is the another website. It's known as the let me say Quora. Okay, Quora.com. I'm slow at typing, so yeah, Quora.com. This site here, people ask a lot of questions in this web on this website, okay? They ask a lot of questions. So whatever article they ask you here, whatever article or post they ask you to write here, whatever topic it is, you come here and write, okay? You search for it. Okay, let's say if it is about weight loss, okay? Weight loss, okay? So search for it. You see here, too many questions, so you have to just look for the what is corresponding with what they ask from you, okay? So you get here, you get the answers, you get every answers here, guys. You get answers here. Just copy and paste and then make cash. Just as simple as that, okay? So let's search. Okay, you can read the one that are best. Always the best ones are kept at the first, okay? The best ones are kept up here. So you search, okay? Yeah. So let's say if you find out that this is the best one, okay? So you just have to highlight, copy this answer, okay? You copy the answer, assuming that you got this one as the answer that you want to. So copy this, and then we shall go to to edit this. You can't go and post the same thing, because they will definitely know that this is copy and paste, okay? You have to change the meaning, okay? So let's get to another website, a website where you can go and edit your articles, okay? So let's go to Google Docs, okay? Here you're going to edit your post. You're going to edit the articles, okay? So go to the docs. Let's wait in a bit. My network is slow, okay? Here, now I'm talking slowly. I hope everybody is getting it. You have to follow the steps slowly, okay? Oh. Wow. So here, this way you're going to edit your post, okay? You're going to edit your post in this site here. So you paste your post here, okay? My connection is just disturbing me, but we'll try again. So you're going to edit your post here in the Google Docs, okay? You shouldn't put the same article. You shouldn't put the same article. You have to change the meaning. You have to go and get the answers from Quora, and then alter the meaning of what the person have written, so that it look different from your own. From the person's own, okay? As simple as that. So I just have an issue with my network, but at least you understood what I meant by you come to here to this Google Docs to change your alter the articles that you collected from this place here, okay? You just go and change some of the meaning, okay? As simple as that. You change the meaning and then post. You have made your money. You just based on what they say, how many words they asked, You just go and do that. That's all. And then post, you get your cash. As simple as that. Okay, see, you make 100 to 300 per post. It's not something, it's not hard. Okay, it's just something easy. You make your cash. As simple as that. Okay, yeah. So that's what I have for you here. And you can see, you can go to the site here. There are more other things. More, you can make more. You make a lot of money. Okay, see, you can search how many articles they write, they need you to write. Okay, my network is so slow. But it's okay. You got what I meant. You have gotten the site. So here you have gotten the site. You know where to go and search for the answers in case you need to write the articles. You know where to search. You can go to this part here and search the question or the article that you're supposed to write about. You come here and then write. Okay, you just get it and then go to Google Docs and then you change, edit your post, edit it. You edit the articles, as easy as that. Okay, yeah, that's enough for today. So I want you guys to tell me anything that you have gone through. If you have find it easier or it has gone for you easier and you made some cash, you just tell me. Right, have to share with your friends. Share with your friends, let them know about this. Okay, you have to make cash with them. Make cash. Let's make cash together. Okay, so I've come to the end of the video. Hope to see you in my next video. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.